Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a shorter video. I mean, hopefully, because it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, I just got these products in the mail today, so I wanted to film a video. I thought these were so innovative and cool. So these are the new Marc Jacobs Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks. Like lip gloss in a bullet. So it looks like the product is all in here, but when you open it, it's literally in stick form and there's nothing inside here. This is just for decoration. You guys know how obsessed I am with lip gloss, and this just seemed so convenient and easy. Not that lip gloss on its own regularly is not easy to apply, but just like slightly more convenient, and it has a little bit of a tapered teardrop shape just so it hugs your lips really nicely. So these retail for $26 each. They have 8 of them in the range, and as you can see, I bought 3 of them. I definitely chose the most neutral looking ones in the range just because I like more wearable colors when it comes to glosses. And they claim that these show off the shine of 30 coats of lacquer, which really drew me in because I love glass looking, super glossy, wet looking, juicy lips. I have to say, I'm a little disappointed by these. I actually love the formula. It's a really good formula. There's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. It's super hydrating and it feels like a really luxurious balm on the lips, and the wear time acts like it would be a regular lip balm as well. They have a slight bit of a minty smell to them and they're a little bit cooling once you apply them to the lips. But while the formula is amazing, I love the packaging, I love the concept of it all, I think they're overpriced because genuinely what you're buying is a glorified tinted lip balm, and I think these can be easily duped. I don't think this offers something widely impressive or different because while yes, this has shine to it, I get the same amount of shine from my chapstick and my purse. If it had that high shine formula, I'd be sold. I'd be so obsessed with it. But honestly, you're paying for the name, the packaging, and the idea of lip gloss in a stick when really it's tinted lip balm in fancy packaging. But if you're someone who loves to buy high-end products, you like something that's easy just to chuck on, it's convenient, it's more natural looking, it's comfy, then these are going to be perfect for you. So that's pretty much all I have to say as far as my review. I feel like this video is going to be 3 minutes long, but I guess that's more convenient for you guys. So now we will transition into the swatches. So this is what Sugar Sugar looks like on the lips, just your perfect classic nude. Will go with every single makeup look. This is definitely their most popular shade in their lip gloss formula. And then this next one is in the shade Preach, which it looks a lot more vibrant in the bullet, but it's pretty soft once it's swatched on the lips. This color is so perfect for spring and summer. And I think it was a really smart time to launch these products as well, just because I feel like during the summer people want to wear more light coverage, lightweight products. So this is really easy just to check on. And I love this color. It's such a girly, cute, peachy nude. And then the last one I have to try is called Mocha Choco-lata. Mocha Choco-lata. That's cute. And just know that you can only twist these up, not down, so don't go crazy. I feel like it almost has a little bit of a mauve tint just from seeing the outside packaging, but on the lips it looks a lot more like a brownie nude. I really like this color. It's very wearable. I mean, all these are, but I feel like it has a little bit more of a sophisticated look to it. I really like it. All right, you guys, so that's all for me today. Short but sweet. I mean, hopefully you thought so. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would appreciate it so, so much. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! This is what happens at 1 in the morning. Get delirious. Delirious. Delusional. Is that the word? Delirious. I feel like that's not a word right now. I mean, it probably is. Delirious. Yeah, that's a word.
All right, here's what I got.
Siri says Delirious is a wrestler. Unbelievable. I'm embarrassing. I was in AP English. Just all around A's in English, and this is me at 1 in the morning. Delirious. No, it is a word. AP English, coming in clutch, is an acutely disturbed state of mind resulting from illness, nope, intoxication, nope, and characterized by restlessness, sure, illusions, no, incoherence of thought and speech, Sure. See? I know my words. I was correct.